Nyothrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. Cabinet Minister in charge of the PHE department, Renikton Tongkhar, had recently spoken to media persons on the speculations of the Regional Democratic Alliance (Rda'S) pre-poll alliance with the Congress party in the state. Making a clarification on the matter, Renikton Tongkhar said that there has been no talks or discussions on the RDA partnering with the Congress party before the general elections of 2023, as they are satisfied and happy as coalition partners within the MDA government.
As of now, we have not had that thought in our mind. We are very, very happy with this alliance that we have. So there is no plan to have another alliance with us as of now. But as you see in politics, there's no full stop, only comma are there. So you never know what will happen. But as of now, I'm telling you, we are very happy with this coalition. We respect each other. And in terms of development also, this government has done a lot. And in terms of respecting, honoring the people and the aspiration of people in the state, also this government has taken all the steps to respect, to honor the aspiration of the people in the state of Meghalaya. Whether we achieve or we don't achieve, but seriously, this government has attempted to solve and to address the need of the people in the state of Meghalaya. So I wish this government to come back, and we will see that the general election will just happen like what it had happened in this 3 by-election.
On the allegations made by the Congress party as an opposition in the government, the PHE minister said that there is no government anywhere in the world that has gone without allegations. However, he added that should there be such allegations, the same should be justified.
Is there any such government that pass through without allegations? I don't think any government who will complete the term without any allegations. The only thing is that whether those allegations are justified, whether they are genuine or they are false, just because in politics we have got different parties, and to try to win ourselves, we try to put allegations to others. So, which is not new thing. In fact, it is not new thing. It's had happened before. When regional parties are in a position, they will alert against Congress. And now Congress is in the position, they will alert against regional parties, because we are in the government, of course, the NPP-led government. But they will continue to alert against the government.
When asked about a solution to the interstate border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam, Renikton Tongkhar said that a discussion with Assam Minister Atul Bora had taken place and that a joint inspection has been proposed and scheduled for the 12th of November 2021.
You see, we had only one joint inspection. We are planning the second time. And of course, we plan to go on 8, means today itself, but because of the launching of a new district at Mairang, so our officials, they are not able to manage the time to go. So we are planning again this week itself, or if not this week, next week, definitely. But we are trying to go this week itself. So I just had a talk with the Minister from Assam, Mr. Atul Bora, who is the chairman of that committee from Assam side. So he's yet to confirm to me whether it is okay if we go on 12. Otherwise, I have proposed that we will go on 12 of this month. So I'm still waiting the confirmation from their side, from Assam side. If they are okay, we will manage to go on 12 for the joint inspection again. Actually, this is not that easy. The problem that has been lingering for 50 years. So there's no area which is easy, but I'm happy to say that the area I am leading, there is hope to settle. I cannot say 100%, but to the maximum, I could see we will be able to settle. I mean, if we both states are really keen, are really interested to solve. But if we are not keen, if we are not interested, then there will be no solution. But if we are really keen, if we are really serious to solve, from both the state, from both sides, I can see solution that can happen in the area of West Caceres. Of course, to the maximum percentage that we can expect.